I will now demonstrate how to create formulas for this spreadsheet for this invoice. So hammer is $17.19, and there's two of them. I want the total cost to be in D2. So that's where I want my answer. So I click on that cell and it highlights it. It's in blue. That's where I want my answer. Now I'm going to click on the equal sign. That tells the spreadsheet that there's going to be a calculation. Now I'm going to click on cell B2. So I'm going to take cell B2 and I'm going to find the multiply sign, which is an asterisk, and multiply it times what's in cell C2, which is the quantity. So I got B2 times C2, and I press enter, and I get $34.38. If I click on that cell, $34.38, if you look up here in the formula bar, it says that total is arrived by multiplying B2 times C2. I can do the same thing for the screwdriver. I'm going to click on D3, which is where I want the result, and then I'm going to type in the equal sign, and I'm going to click on the price of the screwdriver, $5.49, in column B3, and I want to multiply that asterisk sign times the quantity, which is in cell C3. So at B3 times C3, I press enter, and the total price is $16.47. So now I want to get a subtotal, so I'm going to click on cell D4, and I'm going to press the equal sign, and I want D4 to equal what's in D2 plus what's in D3. Oops, sorry, I got that wrong. Let's go back here. I want it to equal what's in D2 plus what's in D3. So I press enter, and I get $50.85. So the answer is $50.85. The formula is D2 plus D3, the cost of the hammer plus the cost of the screwdrivers. Now I want to calculate a tax, 15% tax. So this is the tax, 15%. So I'm going to take I want the answer here, the tax. So I'm going to take, that's in cell D5. So I'm going to say equals, I want this to be a calculation. I want to take what's the subtotal in D4, and I want to multiply it times the B5, which is the tax, 15%. So the tax is 15%. I'm multiplying D4, the subtotal, times B5, which is 15%, and pressing enter. And the tax is $7.63. Now I want to know the total invoice. So I'm going to click on cell D6. I'm going to say equals, and I'm going to say equals. I'm going to say equals the subtotal, which is in D4, plus the tax, which is in D5, and I'm going to press enter, and so my total invoice price is $58.48. And if I click on that cell, $58.48, it's arrived by taking what's in D4 and adding D5. So I'm taking D4, which is the subtotal cost, and I'm taking D5, which is the tax, and adding together to get the total. So whenever you want to do a calculation, click on the cell where you want the result to be in, then click on the equal sign, and then perform your operations: add, subtract, multiply, or divide.